Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If your internet feels slow or some websites open very late, this small settings can really help you. Today I will show you how to change your DNS to Cloudflare in Windows 11. It is safe, free and takes only 1 minute. All you need to click on this one start button. After that click settings. Under Windows 11 settings, select this one network and internet on the left sidebar. Here you will find Ethernet or Wi-Fi that you use to connect to internet. Click on that entry. After that click on hardware properties. Now you will find this one DNS server assignment automatic DHCP. Click on this one edit button beside it. Now here you need to change automatic DHCP to this one manual option. Here you will find IPv4 and IPv6. In case you use IPv4, turn on this one. After that under preferred DNS type 1.1.1.1 and alternate DNS as 1.0.0.1 and then click on this one save button. In case you use v6, you can turn it on and you can set preferred DNS as this one. I will put this one IP addresses in this one video description. You can also copy and paste here. You need to use 2606:4700:4700:1111 and as an alternate DNS you need to use this one that says 2606:4700:4700:1001. After setting this one preferred DNS and alternate DNS, click on this one save button. That's all about this video. Bye.